Same game multis are one of the most popular bet types in Australia, but the problem is most people just take whatever odds the bookie gives them. But this tool will show you exactly where the value is and which promos are worth playing, and it does it in no time whatsoever, so let me show you how. So the quick version, if you're new, a same game multi combines a few bets from the one match into a single bet, and every leg has to win in order for it to profit. So the same game finder does a few different jobs. If you're just looking for the best bookie promos, it will highlight them and show you where the value is straight away. Or even if you're just looking to find the best value bet in any particular event, it will allow you to do that as well. So over on the left hand side, you've got all the up and coming events, and it's sorted by time as well. So you can see in an hour, you've got the Bulldogs versus the Rabbitohs, and then you've got all the events that are up and coming underneath. So currently it's just displaying events that have promos attached to them, and that's because this toggle is on up here, so you can untick this and it will display every event in case you want to look elsewhere. But of course promos is where the easy value is, so we'll leave that selected for now. And if we take a look at the top row as well, you've got all the different sports, so you can select as many different sports as you want and it will just display those sports. So in Australia, obviously AFL and NRL are two of the most popular ones, so we'll just leave those selected for now. And underneath that, you've got the different leagues. So you've got obviously the AFL and NRL, but you've also got the NRLW, Super League, and the Women's AFL as well. And we'll just click soccer for a minute as well, because all the major European leagues are starting back up. So underneath, you can see you've got all the English Premier League, the French League, German leagues. So really nice and easy, all in one place. So plenty of value flying about. For now, we'll just leave AFL selected. And we'll click on this top event here. So you've got Fremantle versus Adelaide, which starts in around an hour. So once you click on that, it will show you all the available bookies that have promos attached. So you've got Ned's, BetR, Sportsbet, and you can click show more as well. You've got Play Up, Crown Bet, and Points Bet. And if we come up to the top right as well, you've got all bookies. So all bookies are currently selected, and you've got all the main popular ones at the top. And if you scroll further down, you can see there's tons and tons of bookies there. And if you want to favorite any of these, you just click the little favorite button and that will bring it up to your favorites at the top. So now here's one of the big improvements over the old SGM Finder. So you have the fair odds and the market odds side by side, nicely organized. So on the fair odds side, you've got the selection, you've got the bookie odds, the fair odds, and the EV displayed. And then you've got the bookie count as well, which you can click on and it will display all the different odds for the different bookies. So this leg here, you can see there's only 3 bookies at the moment, but Neds and Ladbrokes are offering $1.22 and the next best is Palmer at $1.14. But there are only 3 bookies there as well, so you'd probably take that with a pinch of salt. But if you scroll further down the list as well, you can clearly see that Neds are offering pretty good odds on the overs markets here. So this one's pretty much bang on the EV line, so over 150.5 points. There's a bookie count of 7. And again, Ladbrokes and Neds are at $1.28. Next best is Tab at $1.27. But every other bookie anywhere between $1.19 and $1.24. So it looks like a pretty strong leg. And if we go over to the market side and we'll take this Josh Tracy leg for an example, so over 14.5 disposals. So you have the odds at $3.15 and you can hover over the average here. So the average is at $2.32, so $3.15 looks really good here. And then if you hover over the next column, it will show you the best alternative, which is Baggy Bet at $2.30. And there's a bookie count of 11 here, so this does look like a really strong leg. But of course, you've got some quite big legs in here as well at $51, so you might not want to be looking at any of those. So you can scroll up to the top and put a min and max odds in. So a lot of bookies will be $1.20 per leg. So you can put $1.20 in there and you can cap it at whatever you want. So we'll just put 4 in for now, and that will just filter it down to the more sensible legs. And then once you've decided on the legs that you want to add to your multi, you can actually do that right inside the SGM Finder. So if we took this leg of over 150.5 points, we can add that one. We quite like the Tracy leg here as well at $3.15. And let's take this Matthew Johnson leg as well. So it's over 14.5 disposals. So you can see the average odds is $1.18. And the best alternative is Bet365 at $1.22. And you can see it's got a bookie count of 10 as well. So we'll add that one in. And if we come to the bottom, you've got your SGM builder, which has been building down here. And this is going to display each leg and their odds. So when you go over to the bookie, it makes it nice and easy to find the legs that you're looking for. And then it's got the combined odds at the bottom at $5.16. But there is a message here as well. So these are non-correlated odds because, of course, we can't exactly tell how much a bookie will correlate an SGM until it's actually been added to the slip. But the non-correlated figure is really handy as well, because when it comes to adding it into your slip, it'll be nice and easy to tell just how much a bookie has correlated the multi. So underneath as well, you've got the copy multi, so you can copy the multi there. And if you're using the bonus bank BetTracker, you'll be able to paste that leg straight into your tracker and it's done in an instant. So that is the SGM Finder. It's really nice and easy to use. You can see just how easy it is to spot the value. If you do have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment in the description and we'll get back to you. But thanks for watching and we'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.